The growing importance of programming languages.
That technology evolves rapidly, and choosing the right programming languages is crucial for a future-proof tech career. With new innovations in fields like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and web development, some languages stand out for their versatility and demand. Let's explore the top 5 programming languages projected to remain valuable in the coming years.
Python, versatile and beginner-friendly.
Python continues to dominate the industry thanks to its simple syntax and wide range of applications. From data science to web development, automation, and artificial intelligence, Python's versatility makes it a go-to language for beginners and professionals alike. Its large community and extensive libraries ensure strong support for future tech trends.
JavaScript powering the web.
JavaScript is the backbone of modern web development. It enables interactive websites, dynamic applications, and even server-side development with environments like Node.js. As web and mobile technologies evolve, JavaScript remains critical for both front-end and back-end roles, making it highly sought after in the job market.
Java, reliable for enterprise and mobile.
Java is renowned for its reliability, portability, and wide usage in enterprise applications and Android app development. Many large organizations rely on Java's robustness and scalability. Its extensive use in server-side systems and mobile platforms ensures Java remains relevant across industries.
TypeScript, enhancing JavaScript.
TypeScript builds on JavaScript by adding static typing, which helps developers catch errors early and write more maintainable code. As complex web applications become more common, many tech teams adopt TypeScript for improved code quality and productivity, making it increasingly valuable in modern software development.
Go, efficiency for the cloud era.
Go, also known as Golang, was created by Google to address the needs of scalable and efficient systems, especially in cloud computing and microservices. Its simplicity, fast performance, and concurrency features make Go popular among companies building future-oriented platforms and infrastructure.
Preparing for the future of tech careers.
Learning these in-demand programming languages positions you for long-term success in tech. Python, JavaScript, Java, TypeScript, and Go are projected to shape future innovations across software, cloud, data science, and artificial intelligence. Mastering one or more of these can open doors to rewarding and future-proof careers.